suffer from chronic constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut and other issues with the digestive system. Your colon has an important job of eliminating waste, which means that it's extremely important for everyone to keep it running smoothly. And you shouldn't be worried, because there are things you can do to help alleviate discomfort associated with toxins and digestion issues in the body. Here we have this powerful and extremely effective homemade colon cleanser can help you flush out some of the toxins in your body that could be contributing to your discomfort and also offer natural relief from constipation. You should drink this powerful colon cleanser first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Then have this mixture again just before a light lunch, preferably of steamed vegetables and baked salmon, and again mid-afternoon. Try to drink about 6 to 8 glasses of room temperature water throughout the day. It may be best to slow down the consumption of liquids after 5 p.m. so that you are not awakened in the night with having to go to the bathroom. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 cup 100% pure organic apple juice, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger juice, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 cup warm purified water. Directions. Here's what you need to do. You will need a tall glass and a spoon. To start, place 3.5 ounces of purified water in a pan. You want to warm the water, not boil it, so that you can drink the water at a safe temperature. After that, once it is warm, you need to pour it into your glass. And now, you need to add the sea salt, often part of a salt water flush, and stir. The sea salt will help release toxins, pushing waste through the body and ultimately improving digestion. Now, add the apple juice, ginger juice and fresh lemon juice and stir well. The nutrition-rich apple brings good health, and a healthy colon definitely needs good health. Did you know that a recent study has discovered that those who ate an apple a day had less visits to the doctor? And, when it comes to ginger, it's great because it reduces bloating while stimulating the colon, keeping it free from wastes and harmful toxins. Amazing benefits of the powerful lemon. Here's what you need to know. The lemon juice aids in digestion, detoxification and is high in vitamin C, making it a great antioxidant. It's why it plays such a key role in my secret detox drink. Don't forget, it is always good to check with your doctor if you are pregnant, or have a disease, suffer from allergies or are taking any prescriptions medications. And, be very careful and don't drink this juice if you are a diabetic due to the high natural sugar content in apple juice. You should do this treatment for 1 day or maximum of 1 week for best results.